The cold never bothered me anyway.
Yeah, you took it.
The cold never bothered me anyway. What's up? What'd you say? Yo, what
You
up?
took it.
What
Harris
up? What
Rose.
up? What up, Beezer?
What up?
All right, bro. Check this out, bro. I'm streaming right now. All right. All right. Check this out. 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 All right. You hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me? You hear me? You hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me? You hear
Can you
me?
hear me, man?
You hear me?
Oh my
All
god.
right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right.
You are
All right.
like 20 steps forward.
All right.
You
So,
can hear
bro,
me
with
now.
the all right. So with the thumbnail, bro, keep it the exact same. Just remove the text. All right. That's
That's
S
the
tier.
banner.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
banner.
Banner. Yeah. Keep it the exact same. Just get rid of the text. Don't use any text. You don't need to put anything else on it. It looks perfect the way it is. No text. All right. It's
Are you
fire as
sure?
fuck. I'm 100,000% sure. Do you want me to go through the marketing class with you to give you reassurance
Yeah,
about
yeah.
how sure I am?
Nah, nah, it's okay.
Do you want me to give you the lecture on why that's a
No, no.
good thing to remove the text and why it's a bad thing to have it?
See,
Wait.
look this. It's kind of trash. Wait, I'm going to
Yeah,
show
what
you.
up? What up, Baggy? What up, guy? What up, guy, bro? Is bro talking to Lazoom? How do you even think I'm talking to Lazoom, bro?
Oh, you're on the stream, man.
How do you think I'm doing that? Why do you think I'm
Hey, what
talking
up,
to him?
bitches? What you doing?
How would Deezer even know that, honestly? I was gonna fake it. I was gonna act like I'm not, but how would he even know that? That's
No,
actually
man.
crazy.
If you told me, I will have acting like sexy. So they don't know, like, you know.
Jesus Christ. All right, check this out.
Wait, where are you?
Yeah, but how'd you figure it was the Zoom? All right, so check this out, bro. Oh, because he knows we're working on a project. I'm retarded. All right, check this out.
Yeah, you're really stupid.
Check this out. All right. So
Wait,
then,
wait,
so that's
wait,
the
wait.
thumbnail, right? That's the thumbnail, right? Just remove the text. That's all you got to do. Delete the text. That's it. Boom. Send that in chat when you're done. For the game icon, just do the exact same scene, but move him forward a little bit so we can capture his whole body and the boat for the icon, right? That's going to be the game icon. So the thumb, I think you're getting confused. The banner is the thumbnail. The
No,
the profile pic size is the game icon. That's I think you got that mixed up. Thumbnail is not game icon.
thumbnail is. Wait,
You're
where is it?
mixing up your words. Yeah, we're gonna stream some coding in a second, bro. I'm just going over this real quick. Yeah, yeah. Wait, you're you're a goofball. Um,
What, dude?
thumbnail. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
All right. So then, so yeah, do you understand what I'm saying for the game icon then?
yeah.
All right.
No,
So, oh
I got the banner
God,
already.
you already did it. Put it in
Yeah,
there.
but
Put it in there.
it's not, you know.
Did you take the? You deleted the text?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Send that one when it's ready. Then for the game icon, all you gotta do is do you still have the scene up? All you gotta do is move him forward a little bit. We just need to make sure that we can see his body and the boat to a certain extent. And
Okay.
the way the thumbnail is right now, we wouldn't be able to see it if we changed the thumbnail to a game icon. You know what I mean?
Okay,
What up,
so
Castillo? I'm all right, bro. How are you? Does that make sense?
oh shit, brother. Wait, look the screen right now. Look at my screen. Mi pantalla. My
What up,
screen on
Austin?
Discord.
The nickname Pookie is crazy, bro. Whoever started that, we already know who started it, chat. Didn't don't we? We already know who started it.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Unhinged. Okay, I'm looking.
Yeah. So this was the banner, like
that's
the
not.
unicorn.
No, that's do that for the. Also, make a green background for that. I mean, dude, just set it up
Yeah,
exactly how you did the boat. Okay, hold on, bro, because I don't want you to get confused. I'm gonna write it in the chat right now.
yeah.
Okay, hold on. Where were we talking? Where were we talking, docs? Okay, what I'm looking at right now, make that the Game Pass icon. The game icon should be this, but to where but to where you can see and the boat fully. So move him
Yeah, the
closer
same thing
to
as the banner,
edge.
right?
Yeah, but if it looks good, I mean, dude, try to do a 10-8, try to do a game icon of it as is. I'm thinking you're gonna want to put, I'm thinking the way it is right now, you're gonna want to put him a little bit closer to the edge, right? I don't know what you're showing me though on your screen and what you're talking about, but what I'm what I just said, the what I'm looking at right now on your screen, that's for the Game Pass icon to look just like the
Oh, okay.
to look just
Well,
like the other thing, you know what I mean?
okay, then I can use Photoshop for that one.
So we're already being so we're already being this way in chat, really? That's crazy.
Between bro.
Yeah, dude, you know what I'm talking about now? Are we on the same page?
Yeah, man. No,
All right. And then this is fucking perfect. This is like crazy good. I don't know, the water is a little high, but I think that's fine. I think it looks good as fuck. I think it's gonna get,
yeah,
yeah, this one's fire. I'm not gonna lie. The thumbnail is fire. Yeah, that's
okay,
gas. And then do the, and then the game icons, or the, not the game icons, but the game passes.
there.
You gotta do like all the emotes and eventually, I mean, for the, we can just use that default. So what we can do, bro, because we can do this as an
I think this
update.
looks good.
What?
Oh, no sé hablar, perdón.
Let me see.
I think this looks good for the moment.
Um, yeah, bring him a little closer. Hold on, wait. Bring him out a little bit. No, 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 don't scale it down. Scale it down. Scale it down. Scale it down. Yeah, 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 like that. But bring him down a little bit, maybe. No, 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 no. Put him in the corner to the right. Yo, no, that's too far. A little bit down now. You got to get his whole body in there. Make sure his whole body's in there.
Okay, okay.
Over to the left more. Over to the left more.
There.
Over to the left more. More, more, more. Left more, 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 more. And then down more. Down more. That's good. Down more. Down more. Down more. Oh wait, that's too much down. Okay, up, 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 up. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Perfect.
I think. I might be being anal here, but there is like a little bit of, but that's fine for now. That's fine for now, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine for now. But that is gonna be what people see when we run ads. So,
Yeah.
but I think it's gonna be clear as day. Like, hey, that's the guy. You know what I mean? Um, bro, you're done with the character though? You did the whole character? Because we can add that to the game, just him for now,
Yeah.
where
I
people
send you
can
the.
where
I
people
send you the
can
clothes
play
for
his
him.
character. Just send me the character. Just send me the whole character. Yeah, just send me.
Bro,
Don't send me the clothes. Just send me the whole character as a model, and then I can just make that the
it's
player's
just
character.
a naked guy.
What? What? What
Yeah.
are you talking about?
Nothing. Never mind.
You didn't put the clothes on an avatar?
No, for what? I'm making the clothes, man.
How'd you make the picture?
Making the clothes, bitch.
I don't think, dude. What the, dude? Your broken
It's
ass.
okay.
Your
Okay.
broken ass English, bro. Your broken ass English is killing me at this point.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, I'm still kind of confused on that. Like, how did you? How did, bro? What? Didn't you put the clothes on an R6 character, and position the R6 character like so?
Yeah, on Blender.
Yeah, just export that guy, right?
It's the same guy, bro. It's just a naked guy with the clothes.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what
Yeah.
you're saying. It would be more work. Okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what you're
Yeah,
saying. I see what you're saying.
it's stupid. Like you can do it on the
I see what
studio.
you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I
Yeah,
see what
man.
you're saying. I see what you're saying.
Yeah,
I see
man.
what you're saying. I see 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 what you're saying. Now we're on the same page. We're on the same page. We're on the same page. I see what you're saying.
Okay, so now what?
Now you gotta make. So what I'm gonna do until you make all the other characters for the emotes. So that's gonna be an update
What?
because I'm assuming that would
I
take too long. You said what?
send it. I send it to you. The file with the thing. Look this. Here.
Bro, your English is so fucking like.
Oh,
I wish I knew
Spanish,
Spanish at this point. I wish I knew Spanish
aprende
at this
español,
point.
aprende español porque te voy a cagar a piñas.
Dude, emote dances. Is that the icon? Is that the emotes or is that the icon? What are we talking
Emotes,
about?
dances. I mean, emotes, dances. What can be?
Okay, so what I just said was until you can make all the other characters for the emotes, I'm just gonna use this as the Game Pass icon. But since we have this guy, make a Game Pass icon for that guy. Does that make sense? Does that make sense or not?
No.
Damn, bro. They're asking if you're a female in chat. That's crazy.
I know.
How does that not make sense? How does that not make sense? You see this? You see this?
What, bro? Where are you at? Yeah, I see that about the gamepad.
Yeah, make one of that with the character, with the actual character, the Reaper.
Okay. Why you say that?
I did 5 times, bro. I just said that 5 times, did I not?
Okay, yeah, okay. I will get
Holy
through.
shit.
I just woke up, so I'm kinda slow.
Fucking shit, dude. So yeah, make that and then now what I'm saying is so make that and then make a bundle because we're gonna have a bundle game pass. That's gonna be cheaper if you get them both together, right? So we'll have a bundle game pass. So then make a bundle one, all right? Which is the character and the boat, right? Together in the icon format that you made, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then make the same icon for all the boats, okay?
Oh my god. Okay.
For all the boats, okay? And then that's what I was saying about the emotes for the Game Pass emotes. until we get all the characters, I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna use this arrow. It's really, bro. I can make icons in like 5 minutes, bro. So I mean, I don't know what
Yeah,
you're
yeah, yeah.
being dramatic for. I
No,
know you can make them in 5 minutes
yeah, yeah.
too. You're probably faster than me, let's
You
be
wanna fight,
honest.
man? You wanna fight?
Yeah, bro. I do. Fuck. I love how you're talking to me, can barely keep up with me, and you're talking in chat as well.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah,
Like, bro, let's focus up, dude. Let's focus up, dude.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, but
Good
that should
point.
be like one of the first. That should be like one of our first updates is having all the characters, and then also the
You can change the color of the guy, you know, of the clothes.
I mean, do we really? That's so basic though.
I know, yeah.
Like we should, yeah, we should not half-ass it like that, because then we can't really monetize that because people are gonna catch on. Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
you know what I'm saying? They all have different outfits and like the real shit. So it'd be better, I think, if we were to actually make them like different
yeah.
outfits. Yo, what up, Angie? What up? What up? Does that make sense? Like, if we really want to maximum monetize, we don't want to just change the
Yeah, yeah,
color.
yeah. I know, man. Don't worry.
You know what I
I
mean?
got you.
So that's what I'm
Yeah, I know
saying.
what you mean. Yeah,
That's what
I
I'm
know what
saying,
you're
bro. Are you trying? I'm trying to get rich. I'm trying to get rich, Emma. It doesn't really
saying.
sound like you're trying to get rich, bro. Jesus Christ. That's actually crazy. I just saw that. That's actually crazy. All right. I'm gonna open up stew. I'm gonna open up the stew, bro. Today's the day. Today's the day, bro. We're gonna be
Yeah,
releasing today,
let's
bro.
say,
If you know, Lazoom stops slacking.
okay, bro. Okay.
Slacking. And we can always, like, bro, the thing is we can always update and make it better, and that's what I want to do. Just consistent updates and just keep making the quality better, so that we really have like a long-term project here, and it's not just a quick grab.
Yeah.
All right. Jesus Christ.
Bless you.
Uh,
Take it, man.
yeah, you're actually funny as fuck.
I'm good, bro.
Okay. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right, so I'm going to show you what this looks like so far. Um, all right, so all right, so let me just show you real quick what this looks like, bro. Yo, what up, Alex? What up, EJ? I'm gonna share my screen in a minute for the stream. Oh my goodness. Dude, what? How do you not know what I'm saying right now?
Yeah, yeah, okay, don't worry.
Yo, you can't just say I understand after saying I don't understand, bro. That's not how that works. Yo, that's actually so crazy. I'm not gonna lie, that's so crazy. I love that mindset though, low key, but like that's actually so crazy. Yo, holy shit. All right, let me I'm gonna write it down. I'm going to use that arrow image for the other emote in passes. All right, I'm gonna share my screen real quick for you, bro. All right, so are you looking?
Yeah.
Wait, is my shit on? Okay, my shit's on. All right, so look, this is the emotes section, right? So, uh, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it blank for now, but or I'm gonna have the Reaper one right here, right?
Okay, okay.
Everything else is gonna be blank for now until you can come up with the other characters, okay? And then what's gonna happen is they're gonna be dancing on here, right?
Yeah,
And then like this is a thing. So I'm gonna make them all invisible, whenever a player wants to go
yeah,
here, and this is gonna be dancing. So
yeah, okay.
it's gonna be dancing right here, showing the emote. Does this look all right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All
So
right.
fine.
And then this is the boat one, and then I'm gonna make all the other boats invisible, and then it's gonna come up like that. I just gotta fix the rotation on that, and then also fix the
Okay, okay,
size. Also fix the size. But yeah, I'm gonna make all the other ones invisible. I just gotta set that up. Easy peasy. So does that look good too?
sounds
Does that
good.
look good too?
Yeah.
And then what I'm gonna do is so yeah, does that make sense? Now you understand about the characters, right?
Yeah.
And then they're gonna be dancing on there. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Um, and then what else is it? Uh, and then I'm gonna add proximity prompts on them too, on the ones that are out. I'm gonna just add regular proximity prompts for now, because I mean, why not? Like that's even what Rivals does. They have like regular proximity prompts, I think. And then
Okay.
and then I gotta turn off the can collide for these and make these smaller. They're like way too fucking big. I want them to be like on the platform and look super clean. But and then I also gotta fix the rotation, and then I'm also gonna animate them. So that's kind of a little bit of work, but it's not really that big. It's like small shit.
Okay. We have to change the lighting, you know?
The lighting,
Yeah.
I've already done it.
Oh.
I've just added some subtle lighting, so you can't really like it's there, but it's not blinding. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like it's
maybe
just low. It's just low
maybe
density. So like look,
¿cómo se dice esto? Contraste, you know what I said?
n
Contrast.
nah, you don't need that. That's goofy shit.
Okay.
Look how contrast it already is, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I know what the fuck I'm talking about, dude. All right. Look, what do you mean contrast? Look, see, why are we doing
No,
that?
no.
That's what you mean?
Yeah. Mm. It looks ugly.
Yeah, it looks ugly.
Okay. I take care of that. Don't worry.
No, 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 don't, bro. You're gonna turn it into a mess, bro. I can already tell.
Bro, bro.
I mean, what are you gonna do? Like, that's what I'm saying, bro. Because lighting matters, right? If we have some stupid
Yeah.
lighting that's gonna blind at
No,
everything,
bro.
look. Do you don't?
Stop.
All right, dude. What do most of the front page games do with lighting?
What?
What do most of the front page games do with lighting?
I don't know, man.
They don't do anything, bro. They don't do anything, bro. I'm being
Oh
serious
man.
though. I'm being
Yeah,
serious
that's
though.
right. Right.
They don't do anything with the lighting, bro. The lighting is just like we have subtle lightings, like less is more, you know what I mean? If we make it all crazy, it could make players not enjoy the experience, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like certain stuff we just have to be smart about, I think. What are they
Right.
talking about in chat, bro? Every stream has a different camera angle. What am I doing?
Yo, man.
I don't know what you
You
guys are
cleaned your
talking
floor?
about. Can I what?
Nothing, nothing.
Did I clean the floor? Did you really just ask me that? I
Yes.
actually did. I actually did. I actually did low key a little bit. I mean, dude, I have cats, you know what I'm saying? So I'll sweep and then it'll get messier the same day. I don't want to just I can't just sweep all day every day, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I did actually clean it and now it's dirty again. You know what I'm saying? I have cats,
Yeah.
bro. There's hair everywhere. Like there's just literally hair everywhere. So I mean, I'll sweep it again, and then Mittens will come. He'll walk by and dust all of his hair off again because he sheds like crazy. That cat actually sheds like crazy. I've never. He sheds worse than a dog. I've never seen a cat shed like that, bro. Than how he sheds. He be shedding nonstop, dude.
The shit there.
Like you go to pet him once, and there's a literal fucking blanket of hair everywhere. It's crazy. I've never seen that before. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Yeah, I mean, if you want to mess with the lighting, bro, like go ahead, but just show me first, and then I'll be able to like tell
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if it's gonna fuck up people's eyes
Just
or not.
wait.
You said what?
Nothing.
I can't even hear you honestly. But all right, let me think, bro.
Chat. Look, look, chat, man.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna call this boat models. Boat models. I'm gonna put these in there because those can go there. All right. All, because we're gonna make it to where you can get all boats, bro. What you can do though, honestly, bro, what you can do is instead of like using the boat for tier 2, instead of using the boat, you can just have the texture like be flat and just like on the you know what I'm saying?
No.
I don't know what to say, bro. How do I explain this, bro? I don't even know. Your cat is going bald. Bro, he's not going. He's that's crazy because he's just never bald or close to it, bro. He has so much hair. I don't. It honestly is baffling to me because he literally it looks like he sheds off all of his hair as you pet him, but you can't tell he would have shedded any. It's crazy. I don't know. What was I about to show you though? Sunshine and rainbow texture. All right. So like, bro, what the fuck are you doing, dude? All right. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right.
No. Wait. Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
here. So like you see how this is? It's just a text. You see how these are just textures? They're not on a boat.
Yeah.
Just do it like that, but then do the circle. but then do the circle like
Okay, okay.
the dragon shit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, nice, 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 nice.
Like do that, but then do the circle stuff, you know?
Yeah,
And then another background color or whatever you want to do with that, you know what I mean? Does that make sense
yeah,
now?
yeah.
So I think that that'll look good, and then that way you don't need to fit that because you're not going to be able to see it, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
You're not even going to be able to see what it looks like, the boat on the image. If you were to take the boat, you know, the like the tier 2 ones, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So just yeah, just have the texture like that, and then that makes sense for that. And then that'll be good for those. I'm trying to think of what else we need, but I think we're good. I just need to finish up my side. But how does this look? How does this look, bro? Like, look at this. I don't know what I like. It didn't look good with just the UI, so I put these behind it, and it looks better. But I'm also gonna put like the particles for the floor,
Hmm.
you know. But like for
Maybe,
now,
maybe
I think for now this is fine, to be honest.
more far away, like more away.
No, you don't. No, 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 no. You don't need it far away, bro. You want it to be close. You want it to be close, bro. You don't want to make it. You want to make it
Yeah,
a. You don't want to make it a chore to get in a lobby. It's already a chore. It's already a chore to. I'm thinking of boosting the walk speed by like 2 maybe, but I don't know if we should do that or not. But
yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah,
kind of a chore to like go down here already.
yeah.
It just
Mm,
feels.
more, more,
I don't
more,
know.
more, more.
What, bro? What are you saying right now?
Nothing, bro. Let me focus, man. Let me focus.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure, sure. So, yeah. And for now, we're just gonna do all free for all. We're just gonna do all free for all. We can add in teams at a later, much later update. Like there's a lot of other updates that I think are that we should prioritize than adding teams. I think a free for all is fine. I don't think we need teams right now.
Yeah.
Like we need to get I want to get the game polished first and then we can like do that. But yeah, but I don't know. I think it's fine. It looks I'm saying like the look of the thing though, is that fine? I think it looks fine. Like you know the part being here. Like it doesn't look bad. You know what I mean? Does
It's
that make
okay. It's okay.
does that make sense? Like it doesn't look
Yeah,
bad.
yeah. Yeah, maybe more speed for the character.
I could
Okay.
I could use I could use this as those maybe. Like just size them down.
You can't.
This.
It's connected with the other one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's an easy fix.
Yeah.
Like I could do that, but yeah, I don't know if it's probably not that serious. We should just do this is fine for now, right? We'll
Yeah, it's alright, man.
come up
Just
with something better.
give it a look, you know.
There's other more important stuff. All right, but how does this look so far, dude? This look all right? What are these trees, bro? Did you do these trees?
Yeah.
Did you actually do these trees?
What?
Did you do these trees?
Yeah, man. Of course.
They look
What?
I don't know, dude. I don't
There is
know.
no shadow, man. That's left in.
Yeah, you don't want shadows, bro.
Why not?
Because it's distracting for kids.
Hmm.
Yeah. Why have a shadow here?
Okay, okay, okay. I don't know, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Looking. Good looking.
I mean, it's just like it's distracting for children, bro. It's a game for kids. It's a game for kids. It's a game
Yeah,
for
yeah,
kids.
yeah. I forget about that.
Sup, R? Yo, what up, RZ? What up, bro? Is that Lazoom? Yeah, it is. It is Lazoom, bro.
Yeah, let's see. Fuck you, bitch.
What do you mean?
Nothing, nothing, nothing.
Like, you're actually crazy. You're actually crazy. Switching it? Switching to what? Curse? What are we talking about? Bro, 52 views in
I'm going
35
to kill
minutes
my
is kind of
cat.
nuts, bro. Yeah, go for it.
You're that bitch.
Yo, today's the day, RZ. Today's the day, bro, that we release the game, dude. Like 100%. I'm not even trolling. I just have to finish my part. Lazoom's got like a little bit of extra work to do. Um, and then I have to finish my part. And then yeah, like yeah, I tried making a move animation and it was 10 times harder than I expected. Bro, I know. I'm not gonna lie, like don't tell Lazoom I said this, but he's a fire ass animator. Um, yeah, he's like super fire. I could never do it, dude. I don't even want to get to that level of animating. That's how much I don't like animating. Like animating really is a pain for me. Like I really sit there and like I can't vibe out. I can vibe out in coding. I can't vibe out with animating, bro. It's not happening. Oh fuck. And it plays different animations whether you hit someone. I still don't really know how to do it yet. Yeah, facts, bro. Yo, what up, Target? Facts. It was me yawning. How's it going? It's going pretty good. It's going all right. I gotta finish this game like ASAP, to be honest. I gotta finish this game real freaking quick, dude. And I'm like stressed out. Okay, I'm just resizing these boats real quick. These boats are kind of big. There we go, that's better. I just got into Rojo last night trying to figure out how to display color 3. What are you talking about? How to display color 3 in VS Code? Display color 3. Color 3 dot from RGB and it auto displays in VS Code. Use the get these plugins though. First of all, get this Dracula theme. First of all, get the Dracula theme. Yo, what up, Lena? How are you, bro? And then get the whatchamacallit. It's like Lua U language something. It's a LSP. It's a LSP. I mean, I can look for you real quick. Lua U language server. Get that plugin, and then get the Selene plugin. So Selene. Um, yeah, but definitely get the Dracula theme official theme. That's a fire theme, bro. Honestly, I've been using it since day one of VS Code. I'm not even kidding. The first day I got VS Code, I was looking at themes because I didn't like the default colors, and I went to Dracula, and I've used a Naruto theme once, but then I went back to Dracula because I was like, nah, nice, bro. You can't yet, bro. It's not ready yet. It's gonna be ready some point today. I'm thinking like in 2 hours it might be ready. I gotta do quite a bit for it though. I gotta do quite a bit Not really. Like the list is it's a bunch of small stuff that I gotta do. It's a bunch of small stuff. Um, did he open the game? What do you mean? The thief? What? What are we talking about?
He's talking about this guy. You know, the one, the one who. Oh my god, it's horrible.
Yeah, your English just is too poopy.
Come on, type Spanish. Talk to me in Spanish.
Uh, uh, un gato.
Un gato. Okay.
Who opened the game? The night guy. Oh my God, what a dickhead, bro. Yeah, we all know who it is, bro. It was so obviously. I'm not even gonna talk about it on stream, but that shit was annoying as fuck, bro. That shit was just dead ass annoying as hell. I mean, it's a really bad game though, so I'm not tripping about it. He didn't open the game. It's still unplayable. Yeah, Dracula theme is fire. It's just really nice on the eyes. It's really nice on the eyes. He didn't open the game though, so I don't know what you guys are talking about. Just saying. There's a couple other games, but they're not even games. Like they're not even playable games really. Yeah, like we're good, dude. Ours is gonna be the first, and it's gonna take over. All right, bro. I need to get to this. Let me just right now. Let me just finish off the boat stuff real quick. All right, so I'm gonna size down the boats. Now the thing is these are kind of like super small, so it's like you're not even really gonna be able to see them. I don't know. It's like hard to see them, kind of. I don't know. I have to see this. We might have to think about something for this, bro.
For what?
For the tier 1 or tier 2 boats. Like you can't even see the texture when they're sized down enough. Can you make yeah, can you make like just a model sample of a boat that's like nowhere near as long so we can just slap the texture on it and so people can see the texture? Because you can't even see the actual texture on the tier 2 boats when they're in the model size. And then we can just use that. And then we can use the ones like the ones that we have now we can use for the actual one they're using, right? But for just a model, like, let me show you a picture of what I'm talking about. Like literally just a short, thick model like that we can just slap it on. You know what I'm saying? So we can actually like see it. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know.
And
I
then maybe you can do like
have
a
to change
seat.
the. I have to change the UV map and all that stuff for
You
my
said what?
look chat.
I mean, bro, you gotta like just put the texture on the model, you know what I mean?
It's not like that, man.
Replay,
It's not. It's not like that.
well,
It's not like
how
that.
did you place the texture on?
You have to make the UV maps. You know, once you have the UV maps, you make the texture in on that UV maps. If you change the model to something smaller, you you change the
So you have to
UV maps
so you'd have to
too.
redo the UV maps, right?
Yeah, I have to do the UV maps and the texture.
You have to redo the texture?
Yeah,
Why redo the texture?
because it's different.
Well, did you see what the problem is? Like, look at this, bro. Like, we can't see shit.
Yeah, you can see shit.
You can't see anything. So either we take these out or we do what I said and we make a model, an actual display model. You know what I mean? With the same texture, which I'm thinking is what we're gonna have to do. Is make the actual display model because these are like this isn't gonna work. These being like this. So I mean, what we can do for now is just remove it. Like just remove these out of here because these are not gonna be a thing. But you'd only have to do it for like two of them. Yeah, I know, Pledley. I know, bro. I'll share in a minute. But I think these are sized decently, maybe. I don't know. Like I don't want them to be too big, but I don't want them to be too small. Yeah, I feel like these are sized good right now. Just this one might be a little bit smaller. All right. Yeah, I mean, until we figure out what we're gonna do with that, bro, which I mean, the only thing we really can do is have a display model, another model. Um, then we're just gonna leave these blank and we'll just have these on display. But we can still use we can still put them on the thing like when we do this. You know what I mean? Because we can just make it bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna have it here in the middle, right?
Hmm.
Like the display. Hold on. Like instead of right here, the display, it's just gonna be in the middle. Like the emotes would
Yeah.
be, like the
Nice.
emotes,
Nice.
like the
Nice.
emotes
Thanks.
would be.
Yeah. Think. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Instead of on this stand or whatever. Because all these are gonna go. I'm actually gonna put that in right now. What are you talking about, bro? So what I'm gonna do right now is is make it to where all the hold on. If screen doesn't equal boats, render boat selected. Okay, yeah, so it's the category. So if category is boats, this is what we do. So for every model in workspace, workspace dot world, what do I call it? world shop items, then boat models, world shop items, boat models, get children. All right. Um, Yo, what up, Angel? What up, bro? All right, so that should do that. Or wait, no, I'm gonna bring this up here because I don't want that to run every single time. So what I'm gonna do is this, and then do boat selected, category name, update route, category name, and category. Wait, what? Bro, what? Current screen. There we go. I really just rushed this and didn't really do good naming conventions for this, some of this stuff. To study computer science. I don't know, bro. Just get to it. Just get active. Then we're gonna do that. So that way this doesn't run every single freaking time. It doesn't need to. That's better. And it didn't work. Oh, I'm not connected. Fuck. Is there any famous games? Famous games that you for bug pay for? What are we talking about? Well, that didn't work. If category name does not equal boats, oh, I think I need to put it here. Wait, where is it? Oh, that's not it. Fuck. All right, well, this is what we're gonna do here. We're just gonna take this out. This obviously didn't work for some reason. I don't know why. Very weird. Yeah, but if you wanna get into computer science, bro, you just gotta start getting into coding, bro. That's all you gotta do. I think that's good for now, bro. Fuck, I forgot what I was doing, dude. Well, I guess I could add proximity prompts to this. Charlotte, I'm good. How are you? Fucking my posture's fucking fucked. That's what's up. Are you working on anything or what? How's my day going? It's all right. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. How's your day going? RZ, bro, what are you doing, dude? You're such a lurker, RZ. You just be lurking, bro. Uh, Bro, I'm so flabbergasted. What was I doing, bro? This is how my brain works. I can't believe I like always forget what I'm doing. My day is going pretty good. That's what's up, dude. I love to hear that. Studying combat choreography? That sounds so boring, I'm not gonna lie. Do I stream daily? Like most of the time, yeah. A lot of the time I stream daily. Not like super daily, like I'll take a few days off here and there. But yeah, watching anime fights, that's crazy, dude. Yo, they freaking delayed the anime that starts with a G. Why'd they do that, bro? Just because of elections in Japan is crazy to me. Like, what are we doing? Delaying a whole anime for that? Like, that's kind of crazy. Seemed like a pretty good stream to me. Thanks a lot. I mean, people get really unhinged in here, and sometimes we be wildin', but yeah. Yeah. We at Where am I from? St. Louis. Is it action text? What is action text? And then there's another text, is there not? There's like two there's like two texts, is there not? In a proximity prompt? I can't even see it, dude. Like what the fuck? What the fuck? Action text. I know there's another object text. So what's the difference between action text and object text? That's what I needed to know though. So that's all good. Action text, object text. Such a nice place. I mean, yeah, it's all right. I do miss it sometimes. All right, where in the fudge nuggets? Where in the fudge nuggets is that? Let me share my screen. My PC might shit itself soon. Where should I put that? The shop? Just gonna put it down here, bro. It's not like it matters. For every model in workspace, wafer child, world shop items, wafer child, boat models, get children, view, and then we're gonna have local prompt equals instance dot new proximity prompt prompt dot name equals model dot name. prompt parent equals model. Use class name instead. What are we talking about? Use class name instead. What are we talking about, bud? Such a nice place. Oh, that was your thing before it. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it. Gotchika, whatever. Poopy trying to expose us, bro. You're crazy. Yo, some of these chats are crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so okay, does not equal part, then continue and. If part dot class name, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Where do you see that? Where do you see that? Like which part of the code are you going over? Yeah, there's no point. So base part, okay, so I don't know what you mean by this. Base part is referring to is the base class for anything. Thanks for the follow, Charlotte. I appreciate that. Thank you a lot. Um, yeah, so base part is the class for base part is part though. Base part is the class for part, uh, base part and mesh part, right? It's for all the parts. That's what base part is. So you don't have to go, is this a mesh part? Is this a base part? You know what I'm saying? It's all the parts, bro. Um, yeah, it refers to part and all that stuff. I don't know what else you were talking about though. Can I suggest you something? Sure. You don't need to do wait for child in workspace. You only have to wait for the top parent. So wait for child dot whatever. Yeah, just to be safe though, because I mean, sometimes in you can't on especially on the client, something can be loaded in, but not its children. So I'm just doing wait for child, everything. I don't think it matters though. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I mean, and as I say that, some of these might not get prompts, right? Because some of these could be loaded in, like a folder could be loaded in, but the model, not all the models are loaded in. So it's like whatever. That is crazy. That's the craziest thing you've ever said, Lizoom. Um, I am an artist and do work for streamers and gamers. I'm not really a serious streamer. Like I don't have any desire to be a streamer. I just stream. So it's not like I'm trying to grow. Like I'm not really trying to grow on stream. If you want to join the Discord though and share your stuff and creations, you can. But yeah, what's the question mark for? Class name is faster. What are we talking about, bud? What are we talking about, bud? Class name is faster. Yo, RZ, this is one of those things. RZ, I'm not gonna lie, this is one of those things where you're really focusing on the wrong stuff. Like it doesn't matter. Like it just doesn't matter that I'm using base part instead of part. But also, some of this stuff, I don't know if it's gonna actually be a part, but whatever. Anyways, all right. Let me let me get this done real quick. What was I doing here? Prompt dot action text equals shop items model dot name dot price dot robux price prompt dot object text equals Um, equal boats model dot name dot display name. Parents load before children. Yeah. You should name your scripts .lua instead of lua u. Why? I don't think it matters, to be honest. What's not true? What did you say? Oh, I see what you're saying. I think I already explained that. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh, did I not parent it? It didn't even work. Am I connected? Yeah. That's all a Zoom, bro. You're missing out on Jesus Christ. And that's what I'm saying. You are trolling me. You have to be. Because holy fuck, you're so silly. Jesus Christ, dude. Jesus Christ. Like, dude, and there's the thing is, RZ, is there's actual scripters who tell you that and they think they're so egoed out and they think they're so good. And they're not. They're really not. Alright, why isn't this working? I think because I don't know why it's not working, to be honest. It should be working. Display name. Display name. Hold on, but it see it just ran this time, but it didn't the other time. And it's still not working. Because we got that error. We got that first error. Alright, let me see what this is, bro. What is this about? Yo, now my PC wants to fuck itself? That's crazy. Display name. What are we talking about? Capital T, that's not it, dude. When a parent is replicated, you're referencing the model instead of the table. Am I? No, I'm not. Hold on. Oh, valid member of model. You are right. I was. Well, what the hell? That doesn't even make sense. Boats. What? How am I referencing the model? That don't make no sense. What is boats? Because boats is only that's not it. Yeah, this is the only thing that boats is right here. Oh, I see now. And I don't even have the boats config up, dude. So let me get that. So boats. Boats config. There we go. So then we're just gonna use the boats config right there. Um, yeah, I just seen that. I have sent you a request on Discord. Can you please accept it? Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a bit. I'm like locked in right now. We're programming some serious shit. It's still not working though. Like this is really frustrating. I bet you it's because the models don't even load in when the code runs, bro. Like I bet you that's why. Never mind, it's not why. Why isn't this working? Is it because you can't? So I'm pretty sure prompts can be a child of a model, can't they? No, you don't, RZ. Do you? Do you? I just put it in a part though and it didn't show up. So what are you talking about? Oh, always on top. Wait. Max activation distance. What to find now? Turn off requires line of sight real quick. What are you talking about? What are you talking about actually? All right. Is this a game? Why are these boats? Yeah, this is a new game, Eclipse. No, Pebbly, we're locked in, bro. You're sending me on side quests. I'm trying to figure this out real quick. Yo, what up, Flaky? All right, so what is actually happening here? Like, it needs to be in a transparent part, no? I'm looking at the properties. Turn what off? What are we talking about? Oh, that's what it's called. That's what it's called, bro. You guys are really bad at explaining yourselves. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you guys actually suck at explaining yourselves. That's crazy. So it does need to be in a part, though. That's kind of lame. So now I gotta make a part for all these. Bro, you guys suck at explaining yourselves. I'm not gonna lie, dude. All right. Bro got rage baited. How'd I get rage baited? Bro, I literally told you the solution and you told me I was yapping. You were though. You were like really bad at explaining yourself. What's the game about? Farming. Every time you say that, I can't help but laugh, bro. Say what? Don't tell me it's about that ore farming boat kid. Nah, it's not. Bro, are we ass? Am I fucking like doing something wrong, bro? The fucking butt cheeks right now. What the fuck is this? Oh, I know. Alright, should work now, bro. Because I think of a farming game. It is a farming game. Like, RZ, what are you talking about, bro? There we go. Ferryman's boat. We were here. There we go. Let's see how that looks. If it's on the client, you should switch it to server. What are we talking about? Why create the prompts in the client and not just in studio? Because I'm fucking that guy, bro. Why would I ever switch it to the server? Boom. How lit does that look? That's actually pretty lit. You're gonna have to send her a remote event. Dude, you are the biggest goofball. RZ, you're the biggest goofball. You are such a hocus pocus coder, bro. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap, bro. That's why your name's Hocus Pocus in the Discord. Yo. Dude says security. What are we talking about, dude? You guys suck at explaining yourselves, bro. Is my headphones still working? Let me check. Yeah, my headphones aren't even working. Have you been talking? Is Lazoom been in here the whole time talking? Have you been talking, bro? You're not even talking. No, you don't. You have to send a remote event either way. Bro, I don't need to send a remote event for anything. Here's why. Here's why, dude. This is why I don't need to send a remote event, dude. What are we talking about, bud? What are we talking about, bud? This is what the fucking prompt does, bud. This is what the prompt's for, bud. Alright. You can't trigger a purchase from the server side for the client? My guy, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Because it's a purchase event. Like, what are we talking about? Do you guys see what I'm doing here? Okay, RZ, you gotta stop. You have to stop. You have to stop. You have to stop. Stop. Stop these shenanigans. Stop them right now. Stop them right now, bro. No, he's actually gaslighting and rage baiting me right now. He's actually gaslighting and rage baiting me right now. Like that's crazy. Is my headphones still on? My headphones are not on anymore. I fucking hate. I need to clean the jack. I just need to clean the jack. I need to take the time to clean the jack, bro. I need to take the time to clean the jack. Bro's gonna see soon. I'm not gonna see shit, dude. I'm not gonna see shit because this works, bro. Are you literally that much of a hocus pocus coder that you don't know that this works? Holy crud, bro. Holy crud biscuits. There's not really anything wrong with what he's doing. It's just that he's making the prompt on the client. How long you been? I can't wait to see the look on your face when nothing pops up. Dude, I literally fucking like want to slap you, bro. I literally want to slap you, bro. Holy crap. I want to slap you so hard, bro. He's just raging, bro. He's just literally rage baiting. It's so crazy. Holy crap, dude. Damn. Trigger ended, I think is what we want. Actually, no. Actually, no. We want triggered. Triggered. This gives us the player that triggered it, and that's why you use these on the server, but I just don't care. We're doing it on a client. There's no point. And we're just gonna put that there because we're not using it. He said alrighty. Yeah. Does RZ know something we don't? Or is he rage baiting? Is he just bad at raging? Boom. Oh, what was that, RZ? What was that, RZ? Oh, okay. Okay, RZ. Oh, it works, RZ. Wow. Wow. Crazy. What do you mean, see soon? We just watched it work. Why would I want to call that from the server, bro? There's no need. All it's supposed to do is this. This is the only thing it's supposed to do. But why don't you stop speaking in fucking riddles and actually explain yourself? But see, you can't because you're rage baiting and you don't actually have anything to stand on because you're raging and you're rage baiting and it's actually kind of crazy. This is all this is doing. This right here. This prompt will never do anything but this. Gonna exploit in your game and bypass the Robux purchase? You can't though, because it's handled by Roblox. SK, you can't. You can't. Because it's handled by Roblox. You can't bypass it. Only reason you would want to check for triggers on the server is to stop the player from triggering it from somewhere in the game, nothing more. Using trigger on client, there's nothing wrong. Exactly. This isn't a donation game, right? This isn't a donate game, bro. There's no way, like, Roblox handles all of that, right? It's the security's built into how they handle it, okay? Just because this is being called in the client doesn't mean a player can change the Robux price and get it for cheaper. Like that's not a thing. This isn't a donation game, dude. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. They're speaking in riddles, bro. I'm gonna mute everybody that's talking in chat. If you guys aren't gonna explain yourselves from now on, I'm gonna start muting you, bro. Like dead ass. You guys are speaking in riddles, okay? Holy fucking shit, dude. Yeah, I don't know. These guys are cooked, bro. These guys are dead ass cooked. Chat is cooked right now, bro. Holy fuck. That's what I'm saying, bro. They're rage baiting. They have nothing to stand on. They're not even explaining themselves. They're just saying stupid shit to fucking rage bait. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Exactly. See, the thing is, bro, It's not a donation game. There's an exploit for donation games, but there's not uh all right, dude, I'm gonna turn chat off. I'm not even gonna look at chat anymore. I'm not even looking at chat anymore for the rest of the stream. You guys have fucking ruined it. I'm over it, honestly. Not looking at chat for the rest of the stream, bro. I gotta lock in, and you guys are distracting too hard, bro. And you guys are just rage baiting. Actually nuts. All right, dude. Fucking Christ. Bro, RZ, I swear to fucking God, I'm about to block you. I swear to God, I'm about to block you, bro. RZ, I'm dead ass about to block your ass, dude. Yo, dude, actually freaking crazy. Yo, what up, Shiesty? What up, bro? What's up, Acapella? What up, Savage? What up, dog? Today, bro. Today. It will be released today, 100,000%. I just need to finish up my end, and then Lazoom's got like barely anything left, I think. So we're pretty much smooth sailing for a while. What is this? What is this called? You're gonna put. Wait, what? What are you guys talking about right now, bro? Yo, that is fire. That last one you just sent was fire, bro. That shit looks nice. Yeah, that shit looks nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't care about the riddle, bro. I didn't even read it all. That's how much I don't care. That's how much I don't care. And I told you I'm over it. Dead ass. It doesn't matter, bro. We don't need the background to be transparent, bro. We don't need the background to be transparent. It doesn't matter. I was gonna edit all the photos. I just needed you to take the pictures, but you're doing it and they look good, so I don't give a fuck. I thought I was gonna have to do that, so that's just less I have to do, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna start. What I'm doing right now is I'm actually uploading them right this second. The game passes, some of them, just so I can get them in there and start testing them. Where the fuck do I go? Monetization, game passes, passes, right? It's not game passes anymore. I thought it was game passes. Now it's called passes, or am I tripping? Has that never been a thing? I gotta look at. So I just uploaded the Elvish Glory one. I gotta look at the sale item for it. Um, for it in shop items. Elvish Glory. So 447. 447 is what we're doing that for. Um, what is happening right now? Copy pass ID. Game passes. There's the pass ID for that. 447. Just waiting for it to like upload, I guess. Unavailable. Why is it unavailable, bro? Sales. Item for sale. 447. I think they keep changing the fucking UI just a tad bit, and it's kind of confusing, bro. Enable regional pricing. Do we want to enable regional pricing? I mean, I think so, right? One-time acknowledgement. By turning on regional pricing, you turn in Roblox will adjust your product prices for the ones you've opted into. Do we want to do, is regional pricing a good thing? Do we want to do that? I mean, it makes sense to me, right? Don't show us your product ID or we will exploit and get it for free. That isn't true. Yeah, these guys are rage baiting. I think SK and RZ are actually rage baiting, to be honest. What they're saying is so retarded. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. I think they're just fucking with me. Dead ass. So, regional pricing, bro. What is regional pricing? I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. What is regional pricing? I remember seeing that before, but regional pricing in Roblox context. If you set a game pass to 100 Roblox, a player in Brazil or India might see a slightly lower price. You still receive the full amount. that you set regional discounts from Roblox's side, not your cut. If that's true, I'm turning on regional pricing. Holy shit. Add test accounts. Requires dynamic price check. What is Roblox talking about? Like dead ass. What is Roblox talking about, bro? Requires dynamic prices. Like what are we talking about, dude? Give the chat a second. Roblox taking a cut is weird. VPNs. If people use VPNs, they can buy your game passes for lower price. Give the chat a second chance. Was that a super chat? Or is that like, is that a real thing? That doesn't make any sense. Give the chat a second chance. I can't tell if that's a super chat or not. Oh shit, dude. Thanks for the fucking $2 in super chat, bro. Let's fucking go, dude. No, it's fake. I've never gotten one, bro. You're the first super chatter, bro. Congratulations, dude. Thank you. That's crazy. People really out here like that. I'm really just waiting for YouTube to put ads on my stuff so that if they started putting ads on my stuff, I'd probably make like a couple $100 a month just off of ads being on there. That's kind of lit, I think. Just fucking being on YouTube. But yeah, Roblox taking a cut is weird. Like cut of what? And then oh, you are right about the VPN, but listen, ChatGPT just said this, okay? ChatGPT just said this. Is this right? Is this true? Like look what ChatGPT is saying right now. If you get it, you still receive the full amount of Roblox that you set. Regional discounts come from Roblox's side, not your cut. Is that crazy? Like, is that true? Yo, what up, Big Noy? What game am I working on? A farming game. Dirt Monster showed his income from streaming once, and it was like $13 or something. That's crazy. It just depends on the views you're getting and stuff like that. If I started running ads though, I would run more videos. I would run more videos. I wouldn't really care about the streams. I would run more video content and try to get like views off that just a little bit, just to make a couple $100 a month. They don't. What are we talking about? I don't believe Roblox takes the cut. Why would Roblox do that? They don't. Yeah, I feel like ChatGPT is on one, bro. That's what I'm saying. This is what ChatGPT said. I'm gonna tell it to look it up. Every time I say look it up, it says searching the web. I don't think it really is though. I think it's bullshitting. Regional pricing can indeed reduce the amount of Roblox developer earns. Yeah, so what are you talking about, ChatGPT? So I mean, dude, is regional pricing worth it? I feel like regional pricing might boost sales though, to be honest. But if you can use a VPN, then it's like, should we really have it turned on? What do you guys think, bro? Nothing to do with views. It's about watch hours. Then when you're monetized, ads are served automatically. What are you talking about? Ads have something to do with views, bro. It's the amount of views you get can determine how much you can make from the ads. You just need the watch hours to become a part of the partner program. You are an indie dev, not Steam. What are we talking about? Didn't change anything for my game. Well, I don't know if I can. I don't know. Let me yeah, let me figure it out. I'm just gonna have it turned off for now. I don't know, bro. I need to like look into that. That's like a new thing I think too, so I'm just gonna like have it turned off for now. I don't really care. Can always go back later. Um, they're like hardcore promoting it though, so I don't know why they're doing that. Just immigrate to the USA. What are we talking about? Yes, the more views equals more money, but you get ads. You have to get. Yeah, I know that, bro. Pricing on Roblox is generally worth it to boost revenue and accessibility global because it lets more players. Do you have a popular game, play or Peb? Do you have a popular game? Like, do you have experience in that? I'm gonna keep it off for now, bro, until I understand it more. It's just the fact that I don't really, they're not really like giving me enough information, I feel like, and I don't know what that dynamic price check is. I don't know what the fuck that is, bro. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but I'm like, it's like whatever right now. I just can create these other game passes and stuff. All right, let me look up my price for this one. Copy that ID first. And then let me look at the price real quick. I've been a developer for 6 years on Roblox, so I know how the money stuff works. Gotcha. Jesus Christ, bro. Is that another super chat, bro? Holy shit. Thanks a lot, Eclipse. Have a good day, bro. Dude, Eclipse is that guy, bro. That's crazy. Really appreciate it, man. That's gonna make me blush. Holy fuck. I don't know how to react to that. Never thought I would ever get a super chat, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, W Eclipse for real, bro. W Eclipse for real. That dude's awesome. All right. Also, what if you find being 100% for real now because people can use VPNs, I wouldn't turn it on. I mean, like, I don't know if it's that big of a deal. If it really is that big of a deal, like, sure they can do that, but is that really like that bad? I don't know. I mean, we're gonna do research later. For now, we're gonna have it off. I'm gonna do research later and find out like what I'm gonna, figure out what it is and see if you know what I'm saying? See if it's something we want to do or not. Roblox lets developers set a base price for in-game items and automatically adjust that price for regions based on local economies and purchasing power, ensuring prices are fair and affordable worldwide. Developers earn Robux, which Roblox converts to real money. Well, yeah, I understand that, but like, what about the part of it saying it's what about the part where it's saying like hold on, give me 1 second. I'm like locked in right now. No, I have to recopy it. Dude, that is crazy, bro. I actually got a fucking super chat. That's it's fucking nuts. off of a YouTube channel I never even thought I would like grow at all. That's just crazy, bro. Pretty crazy, man. All right. This guy just copy and pasting the Wikipedia. I'm copying and pasting from Roblox documentation so I summarize that most accurate way to be. I mean, you deserve it. Thanks, Shiesty. Appreciate you. All right. We gotta do more working out, bro. I've just been so locked in on getting this game out that I haven't done any working out really. Like I've done a little bit, but not as nearly as much as I would like to. But I mean, I was going like every day for a few days there, so you know what they say is like if you do like if you were to work out 3 days a week, it wouldn't matter if they would be all jumbled up or spread out. You're gonna get the same results. They did a study on that. I don't know if you guys know that. I think that's kind of sick. But yeah. I mean, yeah, we can just turn on regional. I just don't know what the new thing is because they added something new to it. I don't remember seeing I don't remember seeing requires dynamic prices. Do I have to do anything for that? Because if I have to do anything for that, I'm not going to require it or I'm not going to enable it. So let me know if you guys know that because I don't want to do that if I have to do that. All right. You don't think so? Yo, is Zoom still in here? Should we make the tier 3 only Robux items? So no aura points? The dragon isn't only Robux. And then I'm thinking, got you. Um, are you doing the other thumbnails? Like for the Reaper and then the other, like you know what I'm talking about? The other boats. I feel like we should make I don't know. I feel like we should make the tier. These boats are just so good. Like, should they really be bought with? You'd have to play the game for a long time, so maybe, yeah, maybe we should keep it like these two. You'd have to play the game for a long time to get these if you did aura points, to be honest. But are you gonna make the all the other thumbnails, the game icons, I mean? And then I need to download the other one for the emotes. I need to download this one. You're on that? What does that mean? Like you're doing it. I'm just asking. What are our other emotes called, bro? Ghost. What are the other ones? Snake. Oh shit, I forgot to add fucking pics to that. Oh, all right, so now we have that. Um, Ghost. All right, Ghost, and then Snake, and then Reaper, and then now we need to do Aqua and Flash Step. So Flash Step emo. Flash Step, and then Aqua. Let us see your screen again, bro. I mean, I'm going through like creator shit, doing all the passes, so that's why I'm not showing it right now. Aqua emo. Okay. Um, Sales for the Aqua emo is 47. Okay. Turn off regional pricing meantime. Yeah, sure, whatever. Snake emo, which is 97. And then the Reaper emo, which is 230, that right there. Okay. Okay, flash step, which is all right. Then we have ghost emote, which is this right here. Okay. Solo dev, not for this project. Not for this project, bro. Um, Yo, or is he stuck on them animations, bro? It's hella funny. All right, what other? Oh my God, what is this, bro? So now it's just these ones. Which I'm just gonna wait to do. Um, I could do badges real quick though. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why this table was here. I can't remember. Oh, okay. Why did I do this? I don't know why I did this. Why did I do this? That's so weird. Like, I don't remember what this was for when I set up the badges. I mean, I could check real quick. Let me check the badges controller. Oh, where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? This right here. Update equipped. Oh, bandages. This is not badges. This is bandages. I don't even have a bandages controller here. I don't know why I did that. I don't know. I don't got time to go over it though. Weird. Very weird. What is this, bro? Yeah, it is, bro. For sure. I'm setting up all the badges stuff right now, which is gonna be just super simple. Like it's already done, really. Mm. Like I want to say this is done now. Like it's really that simple. I just gotta upload the badges. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna see about like on the chat. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna send you. I don't know, bro. Like, should we just use this for the badges icon, just for all the badges icon, just for right now? Like, I don't really have a problem with that, to be honest. Like, just this photo that I just sent you. Should we just use that for the badges or what? Or what do we use for the badges? What do you mean, nuh-uh? What do you mean, nuh-uh? Look handsome today? That's crazy. It's crazy, Salmon. That's crazy, Salmon. What a nice statement, though. You're nice. You're tripping. Well, then make something, Emma. Then make something, bro. Then make something. Jesus Christ, you're crazy. You're crazy, bro. Dude, you know how hard I've been busting my ass on this, bro? You know how hard I've been busting my ass on this shit? And you're over here talking about you don't want to make icons? That's crazy. Are you done with the other icons? There we go. I was about to, I was about to ask. These look good. I like these, bro. These look fire. These look fire. And then what I'm gonna do, yeah, these look fire. All right. Oh, I accidentally did I named it Bubbles. Fuck me. Cloudy rainbow. Yeah, you knew. See, sometimes we be on the same motherfucking page, bro, and it works out so well. Sometimes we really be hitting that shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Can I code pirate software? Nah, bro. Unmodular? Dude, what? That's the craziest thing I've ever heard. I'm not gonna lie. Craziest thing I've ever heard. Yeah, I feel like Roblox wants you to make your your things part of the region, so I guess we're just gonna do that, bro. Like, screw it. We're just gonna do that. See how it goes. See how it goes. Unlock your global growth, automatically adjust. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Yeah, Lazoom's doing the he's doing the icons, thumbnail, and the models and animations. For me, 120 Robux thingy costs less than 60. Got you. I mean, maybe that's why people do like outrageous prices. I don't know. Maybe I should up all the prices for this regional pricing thing. I don't really care though, to be honest. If I'm keeping it a buck. Help me with emotional support. That's crazy. That's kind of crazy. All right, let me see. I think the IRL. I need to copy that Game Pass ID in the IRL. I think all of our Game Passes are in right now. Oh, the bullet. We're missing the bullet, bro. Missing the bullet, Lazoon. That's the last one, though. The last Game Pass icon for right now is the bullet. And then also, are you gonna make? Oh, and flower power. You're right. I don't have. Interestingly, I don't have flower power. Oh yeah, flower power is not gonna be a game pass. Flower power is not gonna be a game pass. So the flower power is not gonna be a game pass. And what else? Something else isn't gonna be a game pass. Blazer, I think, is it? Let me look to see what I did. I mean, like, I guess we could make it a Game Pass, but I'd rather not. I don't want everything to be a Game Pass. I want to have, like, ones that just aren't Game Passes. Yeah, so Flower Power. Oh, Flower Power is a Game Pass. Never mind. Cloudy Rainbow. Why is Cloudy Rainbow fucking up, bro? It's not showing the shit for that. Because it didn't save. Because it didn't save. Yeah, so never mind. Flower Power is a Game Pass, bro. I'm tripping. I'm tripping balls. Don't listen to me. Jesus Christ. You're just man of ideas, bro. Like, you need to stay in your lane, bro. I'm the idea guy, right? Flower Power Game Pass icon. So now we're just missing the bullet then. Competitive flower PvP game? Dude, here's Bro. Mm. Here's the thing, right? When it comes to ideas on Roblox platform, and really any other idea, right? Here's my general way of thinking about it, okay? Um, Here's my general way of thinking about it. Here's what I think about that, all right? If it's not an idea like this, Lazoom, because this was a baller idea, right? Doing a aura farming game is a baller idea, okay? If it's not an idea like that, that's gonna be the first to a major trend. Like this guy's getting bigger than Hawk Tuah was. If it's not an idea like that, then the idea seldom matters. And it's really just the execution of it, which what I mean by that is the game going to be fun and engaging and is it easy for every single person to play? So it's not a farming game. It is a farming game, bro. Do you think this game what? Do you think this game will revolutionize Roblox? No, not at all. I mean, this is a pretty genius idea by me. Like Lazoom had the original, like, let's bank off this trend, and then I came up with the actual game loop and gameplay. But yeah, you appear in my main page way too much. How do you do it? Well, it really just comes down to like I'm that fucking guy, and YouTube knows it, so that's why you're seeing me, bro. Like, sorry, not sorry, but it just is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, I can't help it, dude. I'm just that guy. Show me the game. He's 99% and I'm 1%. I think it's fair. What does that mean? So how much of a percentage you're sharing? We're halvesies. We're halvesies, and sometimes I'm like, dude, I'm doing all the fucking work. But yeah, I am that guy. Show you the game. You'll see the game soon, bro. Bro, you got those models done so fast. Like you're such a fast modeler. Um, so I don't know what you're talking about, but I don't really care. Yeah, 991 is fair facts. Facts, bro. I'm the manager, I'm the idea man, I'm the fucking everything. I'm everything in this bit. Everything in this bit. All right. I forgot what I was doing though. Deadass. What was I doing? Right, I was making server side badges manager. All right, badges manager dot server dot louisu. Then now we can get our badges. Our badges. Okay, so local badges equals modules require modules dot badges dot unit server. Boom. Boom. Just show us your VS, not studio. I mean, dude, I'll show everything in a bit, but I'm like, I'm not even in studio right now, really. Like, I'm in VS right now, but only for a second. I'm about to go back to, whatchamacallit. We need badge IDs, Lazoom. Are you gonna make badge IDs? You could just make like one fucking thing and then we can use that for all of them. I don't really care. Until we want to, I mean, I would make different ones to be honest, but it's like whatever for the start. Like we don't need different ones for release, so we can put it on the updates list. Like, I think that's fine. But you said you don't want any AI, so, like, I don't know what to tell you. But, if anybody wants to test the game, you gotta join this group, bro. And testing's not out yet. I still gotta finish some stuff first. We're gonna be testing later, though. I'm gonna go heat up my coffee, guys. I will be right back. Okay? Boop. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right. I'm back. I'm back in this bed. I'm back in this bed. Okay. Yeah, yeah, X, it is. Yes, it is. Um, yeah, pretty much, but it's not gonna be like those like games that are out right now, like shitty freaking obbies and stuff, like that are just unplayable actual like they're actually unplayable games. It's gonna be like a legit game, like an actual game you can play. So, yeah, and the gameplay might be a little stale at first, but it was the quickest version I could get out, and we are gonna improve it with updates. So it's gonna be more engaging and stuff in updates, but it might actually be like butt cheeks, kind of. Like it's kind of it might actually be repetitive, but it's kind of like Funky Friday. So it's like maybe not. Maybe it still will be fun, but I'm gonna make it more dynamic and engaging later on. What are we talking about, dude? What are you on? What are you on right now, bud? Like, what are you actually on right now, Buster? Fuck, I still gotta do the animations, bro. I still gotta upload them and shit. I keep forgetting to do that. There's like low key, there's kind of a little bit of work I need to do today, dude. Fuck. Mobile buttons. Um, already did this, so I can cross that out. Already did. Oh no, I didn't finish the Game Pass UI. Like actually, shit. Upload game classes. Finish that. Um. Ask teleport options. Let me finish ask teleport options real quick, because that'll be easy as dick. It's just like little shit that I'm doing that's left, bro. Just a bunch of little stuff. Bunch of little stuff, bro. And this is like the thing about it is like when you see people talking about putting up a game in like a week, it's like, okay, how playable is the game and what all does the game have? Because it's really unlikely you're gonna get any freaking game out in a week, dude. It just isn't completely unrealistic. Because this game is like not a big game, but you know what I mean? Like it has content and it's an entire game loop. Like, so I mean, it's not like it's the easiest thing, dude. But other people will be like, oh, I could make this in that amount of time, blah, 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 blah. And it's like, could you? Like, could you actually? Yo, what up? What up, Aikna? What up, bro? What up? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Points. Dot. Points. Dot. Player. Amount. 20 points. Or 200 points. We'll just do 200 points. Dot character. Dot has appearance loaded. Has appearance loaded. Local has loaded equals not has loaded and player period, character appearance loaded wait. Boom. All right, cool. So that's add points. And then let's do a points controller. So points controller. We could make developer products too, Lazoom, of buying aura points. I just thought of that. But I don't know if we like need to right now. Do big studios mention what? What's going on so far? Call me Tori, by the way. We'll do big by this game. I have no idea. I have no idea, bro. It depends though. If we got an offer for this game, I don't even know. I don't even know, bro. That would be crazy. It would, but I think it would depend on where the game would be at, and I'd want to see it after updates. But I doubt, I just have no idea. Like, what would they offer? Because I don't even know what they offer, you know what I mean? I feel like for a game like this, imagine if somebody asks us to buy it. Yeah, but how much would they ask to buy it? Because anything low, I would just auto decline. Anything low, it just wouldn't be worth it to me. But I think that 150K USD. But what if this game hits 10K current? Like, what if this game hits 10K current? Like, we'll be making that. So we wouldn't want to sell it at that point. Then what would it be worth it? I mean, dude, if it gets 10K current, bro, more than 150K, I think, because I think this game actually could have longevity, especially after we update it. So the first version is actually going to be super bootleg, but how many games have we seen on front page that are bootlegged as fuck games, right? You don't need something crazy. So the first version is going to be bootleg, but it's going to be way better when we update it. Like over a month, like after a month of release, right, which is today, it's going to get way better if we start a new trend. How would we start a new trend? Is because of the idea of my like single line Funky Friday thing that somebody stole recently. Did the game come out yet? Not yet, bro. Later. I think he's talking about my idea with the Funky Friday situation. I don't know though. Jesus Christ, bro. Will you do the bro? No, I'm never gonna do that, Deezer. Never. I wish you would stop bringing that up, bro. Like you really like make it hard to do these streams. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, definitely not, dude. Definitely not, bro, guy. Definitely motherfucking not. Definitely motherfucking not. Definitely motherfucking not. I'm unsubbing because you're scamming. I expected you to make games out of a crock pot. That's crazy. All right, bro. Enable your trades? What are you talking about, trades, bro? Make a raise game, raise a crockpot game? What are we talking about, dude? No, I'm not gonna use that for the badges, bro. Visitor, bad visitor, played the game. Visitor, joined game. Player, played for more than 15 minutes. Play, farmed or played the game loop. Winner won the game loop. What do we have? What's the difference between using Roblox City and Rojo? I've never used it, but I don't know if I should start. Yeah, you should start using it immediately. The difference is Roblox Studio is complete and utter dog shit for coding. Oh, shoot, dude. Oh. What else? What other badges do we want, bro? Spender, spent Robux. Um, hmm. That's all I can think of for now, bro, is these badges. That's all I can think of for now. Jesus Christ. How was that? Did I not? Bro, what? Like, those words should be banned from chat, and they're clearly not. Like, YouTube is ass. Whatever, dude. Oh, he can? That's crazy. That's crazy. God damn it, bro. All right, well, I'm about to. If y'all fuck up too much, I'm about to revoke your mods, bro. I just don't care. I just don't care. I'm gonna have to do it, bro. Sorry, not sorry, dude. Whatever, bro. It's whatever, bro. It's whatever, bro. All right, let's see if the points thing actually worked, though. And it didn't. It didn't even mount. Like, what is this? Oh, it's because I didn't name it client script. Duh. 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 And it still didn't even fucking mount. Update points. Infinite yield. Replicate storage. Update points. What? What? What is going on right now? Um, what? What? Update points? Client observer? I'm so confused right now. That makes zero sense, bro. That literally makes zero sense. Something's not working right. Update currency, update equipped, update player items. Why isn't it updating points? Why isn't it updating points? What? What is going on? Oh, because I did a client. Jesus Christ. All right, now it's gonna work. Now we're good. Now we're smooth sailing. Points label, unable to sign, font face, font expected. Got you. I need to do that too. Gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Oops. Not there. There we go. Now it's gonna work. Invalid for initial value. Number expected. God no. Oh fuck it. How are you? Olivia Bang. What up, bro? I'm good. How are you? You sneeze just like a dad? That's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. Valid reason to demote a mod. I'm saying, bro. They're getting wild. They're getting pretty wild, bro. They're more laid back than they have been this stream, but holy shit. They're just getting too crazy for me, dude. All right. I think we're cooking. So I made points and a currency module. We're not going to be using the currency anymore. All right. Okay, so right now we're just sending in points, bro. So this is gonna be a very... Can I moo? What the fuck are we talking about? Jesus Christ, dude, you guys are fucking insane. Yeah, this is gonna be a very basic version of the game, though. Um, so yeah, it's whatever. Lazoom, are we chilling with that? Are we chilling with the it being the basic version? And no, dude, I don't think that's a good representation of the bullet. You need to have the face on there, dude. Have the face on there. Because, like, people are just gonna be like, what is this? It just doesn't make any sense, you know what I mean? Like, it needs to be like, yeah. Are you gonna do the badges, though? Are you doing the badges? I still got a little bit of work to do, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take a few hours, probably. I mean, hold on, let me check the list. Let me check the list. I've just been working as I go. Let me check the list real quick. Okay, so past teleport options, done. Um, Layer data, finish Game Pass UI and mobile buttons. Mobile buttons are not going to take too long, to be honest. I could really set that up real quick, honestly. Let me just do the Game Pass UI first, though. Uh, I mean, dude, are we just gonna do super basic Game Pass UI maybe? Like just to start? Like we can deck it out later, right? Like it's not gonna be that bad if we just really half-ass the UI right now. It's easy as fuck to go through, and that's the key point. Like we really can, I feel like, do it later. But hop on stream real quick, bro. Hop on a call real quick with me in a VC so I can show you. Let me turn on some music first because, bro, this is so dry. I need some type of music, man.
Into
You said what?
something. I was listening. No, nothing, nothing, nothing. Never mind, never mind.
Yeah, shut your bitch ass up. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Gets used to the UI. They don't want UI to change. It's gonna be bad because X, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about, X. I'm not gonna lie. Dude is honestly yapping. So like, look at this, bro. Like, we got the emo. Dude, I actually love this UI layout. It's so easy to look at, and now I see why Rivals kind of does so freaking well. You know what I mean? Their UI is so easy to go through. So yeah, for those who don't know, we kind of ripped off of Rivals, or I did. I ripped off a Rivals UI just because it's just
Lazy.
because it's elegant, bro. It's so elegant. But look, I got the aura points here. The aura right here. You see
Yeah.
that? And then so like that's cool, right?
Uh-huh.
And then but yeah, so for this, the game passes, I want to have it set up like an actual official, like there's the bundle and it looks super sick, and like then we have each and every, but for release, I think I'm just gonna like put up, oh yeah, don't forget about the bundle icon. Did you remember that?
Bundle.
Bundle icon, boat and reaper together in the circle.
Repeater.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. I just put it in general. All right. And then there's the bundle. Yeah, there's a bundle, I guess. And then yeah, so I don't know. What do you think, bro? Like I'm just gonna really like lay them out like in a grid, and just you'll be able to see the Game Pass, the title, and then there will be the buy button. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just gonna lay it out that way. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, bro?
Wait, can you repeat?
Hold on a second. So, like, I'm just gonna lay out, like, in the Game Passes UI for right now. I'm just gonna lay out like Game Pass, Game Pass, Game Pass, Game
Okay.
Pass, Game Pass. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
Okay. I
in
think.
a grid, bro. So boom, 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 boom. All right, that's what I'm gonna do for now. So it'll be the icon and title and then buy button. All right. Or no, you'll just click on it. It will just be icon and title, and you'll just click on it. You know what I mean? Like, and then you'll see what it is. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Make sense, bro?
Yeah.
For right, that's what we're gonna do for right now, right? Like just for right now. I mean, I don't know, bro, because like it's gonna take me a minute to do something else. Like if I were to like let me look, bro. Let me look real quick. Oh
Okay.
fuck,
Look.
I'm in the wrong part. You said
Check
what?
this score. Check this score later.
What about it?
I said.
What? You can
Check
change
the
the
score.
colors? Yeah, I already
No,
know,
no.
bro. I already know.
Okay.
Yeah, I just haven't done it yet, you goofball.
Okay, dumbass.
I don't think it really matters though, honestly, if I'm being keeping it a buck. But yeah, it's just something that I've been putting off. Like I planned on changing them anyway. Um,
Bro, this is so funny, man.
what?
This mention on the chat.
What? Jesus Christ.
There's the bundle.
Yeah. All right, where's what am I doing? Oh yeah. Okay. We're in the right place. All right. Boom. Game Pass holder, bro. So this is where this is all going to be at, right? Now, I could make this so many different ways. So first of all, I'm going to add in a UI list layout. And then we're going to have sections. Actually, I got to add in a scrolling frame, bro. All right. And then under that scrolling frame is going to be our UI list layout. What the fuck is this, bro? All right. And then we'll have bundle. We'll have Dragon Reaper bundle holder. But actually, we need to put this in. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe this. Maybe this is already going to be good enough. All right, we'll see what we'll have. We'll see how it works. But we do need to add in size right there. And we need to add in these. Right here. Um, and then background transparency. And then this is gonna be a frame. And we'll have size be like 9, then 2.5 maybe. All right. Let's see how that looks just to see what it looks like, bro. Just so we can get started. Oh, it's not even showing up. Oh, yeah, because I just did... What'd I do? Oh, I see. Or props dot current equals shop. Or props dot current screen equals back. Fucking shit, dude. Alright. No need. We can already imagine. What is he talking about? So there we go. So does that make sense? Do you kind of see where I'm going with this?
Wait,
You're not even looking. It's alright, bro. I'll finish
bro,
it.
I'm working, you know.
I'll finish it.
So,
What
bro,
are you what are you working on, you little slacker?
I'm making the animation, the render.
You
I'm making the
little
I'm
slacking
making
son
this
of a bitch.
fucking bitch.
You little slacking son of a
Bro,
bitch.
I'm going to go to your house. I'm going to shoot you into death.
What? What are you
What?
talking about?
I was saying, man,
Are you
you are
serious?
you are in the wrong hood, man. You know where I am?
What? I think you're
That's
bugging, bro.
say, awesome.
I think you're bugging, dude.
But that's funny.
Where did I do transparency? I think is in this one over here. Which one though? I think it's right here. Yeah, somewhere in here. There we go. This is what I want. There we go. And then a UI corner. Where's my UI corners? UI corner.
Soy un hombre.
You said what? Bro, what are you saying half the time? Like, dead ass, bro.
Spanish. It's Spanish words. You know?
Look, hey, look at that shit. Look, hey,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
hey. You see what I'm saying? You see where I'm going with this? You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah, I see what you're going with that.
Doesn't it look fire? Come on, bro. Not really, but we'll see. Let me see how it looks right now with the better stroke, with the better corner. Oh, that's too tight of a corner. Too tight of a corner. And honestly, I think it needs to be a little bit taller. Just a little bit taller. Used to be a little bit taller. Used to be a Alright, and then we're gonna have So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in bundle image. Okay, so what is this, bro? What the fuck? All right. So now we have that. Okay. And then what else do we need? We need info info and buttons folder. Name label equals react comment text label. All right. Now we have that. We need what else do we need? We need buy buttons. We need buy buttons. So we need buy buttons, and yeah, we're just gonna copy our buy buttons from right here. Buy button and purchase button. So wait, where is that? Copy. Boom! There we go. Perfect. And now we need shop items, China's dragon. Actually, no, that's not it. Bundle. China's dragon bundle. Bundle.
Mundo. Chinese Dragon
Bundle. Yep. All right. Chinese dragon bundle. All right, so I need to put that actually inside of all those, but I'll do that later. I don't think we need to right now. Maybe we do. All right, let me just do it now so I don't forget. Equals 1. Equals, what's this plus this? So 300 plus 600 is 900 plus the 45, 945. So we'll do like 847. 847. 847. And we actually we don't even need the other buy button. I'm fucking tripping. So hold on a second. I'm actually genuinely tripping. We don't need this buy button at all. We just need this button. Yeah. Name label. Damn, like nothing appeared. Danny 2.0, what is that? No, bro. Why did that not even like show anything? Oh, that's because of this right here. I haven't set these. God damn it. Yo. What the hell is this? Hold on. I gotta change the size. That's hella funny. Also, wait. Info holder is supposed to be vertical. That's also like why that was like that. And this is supposed to be 4. Purchase label. 4. Let's see how it looks now. There we go. That looks kind of lit. Alright, cool. And then now for the image.
I want to eat a burger.
You said what?
Burger. You know, I want one burger.
Worry about that later, bro. Like we need to focus on updates first. Like worry about that down the road, honestly. Like you can honestly just focus. Like you still could have a lot. You still have like a lot that you could do. Mm. Did it actually work though? Oh, the fucking. Why is that weird? Player shop items. We have a Roblox price set, so I don't know why that's not loading. Shop components. Oh, typo? Really? Yeah, typo. Interesting. All right, cool. So that works. And then what else do we need? The other game passes, I guess. I mean, we could just have that and then like one other thing. We don't need to list. The thing is, bro, we don't need to clutter the shop because they'll be able to buy it in a Game Pass form if they go to the items, right? So the main Game Passes shop, we don't need to clutter it with all the available Game Passes. We can just do for the ones that we want to promote, you know what I mean? Like the big ones that we want to promote. Does that make sense? What up, Solus? This music is gas, though. Not gonna lie. Three-hour stream is crazy. All right. Sophie Stewart. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How are you? Thanks a lot, Untitled. I appreciate you. It's people like you that keep me going. Yo, what up, actually? What up, bro? Sometimes, Deezer, sometimes. Good to hear that. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking that. What are you working on? What about us? Well, 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 well. It's going all right. Yeah, I'm making a game, bro. What's the winky tongue face for? Like, that's actually kind of crazy. Thanks, Stuart. Is it done yet? No, RZ. It's coming along, though. There was, like, other stuff that I just kind of forgot about I needed to do. Let me check our list. Let me check our list. Let's see what our
Lazy
list
bitch.
is. Lazy, bro. I've been working literally day and night on this. Like, you're actually retarded.
Me too. Yeah, I'm kidding, man. Jeez.
Sophie is my first name. Sound good. Sounds good, Stuart. Sounds good, Stuart. Is it a Dubai chocolate what? What are we talking about? How long have I been streaming? I don't know, like a month maybe. I just be chilling on streams. I don't really stream. Like I'm not a streamer. I don't know though. Somebody gave me somebody gave me over $10 super chat earlier. Does that count? Am I a streamer now? That was actually kind of lit. I'm not gonna lie. You're not chronically online, sigh. Yeah. I seem like a really good streamer. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm not gonna lie, these chats look exactly like another person from earlier. Like word for word. It's actually kind of crazy. It's actually kind of crazy. No, SK, I'm not. Deezer, why would you... Deezer, you just don't know better, do you? Like, you just don't know better, do you? You sound like an American from Texas. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm from Texas. You're
Why
getting
you
deja vu.
look from
All right, let me look at that list, actually. Okay, finish Game Pass UI. I'm just gonna mark that off. It's basically done. We'll just have the bundle on there for now, bro. All right, are you cool with that? Are you cool with that, bro?
what you say, man?
We'll just have the bundle on the Game Pass for now. Are you cool with that?
Yeah.
Just for the sake of time. I really
Yeah,
don't think
of
it's
course.
gonna matter. I really don't think it's gonna matter too much. I'm just waiting on that bundle image. That's it. This is still not giving me the Robux price. Like, what is this, bro? It's not... Like, I'm actually kind of confused. Oh, I misspelled it in the thing, too. Alright, it's all good now, though. Alright, so shop is pretty much done for release, bro. Oh no, it's just the models now. I gotta do the models and then the animating of the animations, and I gotta upload animations. Let me put that on the list. That's literally like the last things, bro. Fuck.
Wanna see my list? This is my list. Easy busy, menos busy.
Animation for emote shop character. Hold on a second. Animation for emote shop character. Then we have to do the Then I think it's just testing, right? Is that like the one thing? Oh yeah, boats. Boat models and animation for viewing. That's it. I think that's literally it. I think that's actually it, and then it's done. I think that's really it. I want to say that's it, bro. Yeah, but the ores we're gonna do as an update.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, the ores we're gonna do it as an update. So you're working on the thumbnails then? Or are you still doing animations?
I choose make
What's Remo? What is that?
you know when you push the water with the wool thing? I don't know.
Oh,
It's
the
just something like
bower? The
yeah,
bower?
yeah, yeah.
Like
This
the
this
rowers?
yeah.
Are you seeing my chat? No.
Oh,
Oh,
Giovanni,
you're from the US? Oh, fuck, my bad, twin. Do you know how to make the cowboy accent? What are we talking about? Nah, I live in America, bro. I will give 10 monies, bro. What are we talking about, Deezer? Deezer, if you... Deezer, I'm not gonna shout ye, okay? I'm not gonna shout ye, bro.
what about me?
10 monies is crazy, okay? That's actually crazy. Oh my god, dude. Fucking yeah. All right. I'm talking to Lizzie. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever, dude. In this economy, right, SK? That is so crazy. We're almost done, bro. We're almost done, bro.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are you feeling it?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, say.
We're almost
Bro,
done.
bro, I think somebody wants to scam you.
What?
Well, marketing field. Jokes, my bad.
No, Sophie. I really don't care. Shout it in your house. I mean, bro, I'm hip to all that shit. I really don't give a fuck. Why is this fucking up right here?
It's the same. Wait, it's the same size.
What?
To look chat.
What? I don't care, Sophie. Yeah, it's the same shit. You goofball.
Okay, man. I'm going to find you.
You gonna fight me? You say you're gonna fight me, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Why you always trying to fight?
You will be ready.
I want to fight too, though.
Okay, bro. Pone la hora y la fecha, loco, y yo te caigo. Chate. Pa, pa, pa.
I don't even know what that means.
It's like, I say something like,
I need to take a break, bro, honestly. So then I can come back and crush it. I'm like super burnt right now. But there's really not much left to do. And we can always make the game better in updates, you know what I mean?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dude, music though, music. Are you gonna do the music?
Bro, you was talking about that. I thought you were going to.
Well, just do the... I'm gonna take a break. I still got like a few hours of work probably. It's like 3 hours maybe. I think we can get it done in 3 hours. If when I come back. Oh, and then I gotta add the... I'm gonna add the swimming in too. I forgot about that. I'm just gonna do like a basic swim module that I used in my stream game, my death stream game. Um... But yeah.
Okay, man. I'll take a look of the music.
What'd you say?
I'm going to try to do the music.
What'd you say?
Voy a intentar hacer la música. Music.
What'd you say? We'll do it after you're done with everything else, bro. Do it last. Just do it last, alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. I like our little shop. I'm not gonna lie. I like this game, even if it's basic. Like, because like, bro, I'm telling you right now, like, you don't need fancy shit to do really well on Roblox. You know what I mean? Like, we have good content too. Like, the thing is we have good content and we have a playable game that's actually going to be engaging. You know what I mean? So, like, I think we're going to be fine. I think it's going to do really well. Yo, what up? Honestly, I'm going to end the stream, guys, and then we're going to come back better than ever, like in an hour or two. And then we're going to, like, then once the work is finished, we're going to do testing and make the game public. I am, though, bro. Like, dead ass. I'm about to end right now. I need to take a break. Like, not even kidding.
Yeah, go take a break, man.
I need to eat some burgers. I'm gonna go make some burgers.
Burger.
Drink coffee. I have coffee. I'm about to warm it up again and finish it. And then chill out and watch a show or some shit, bro. I need to take a break, dude. I also gotta make a couple calls. But yeah. Eat the bottle as food? Jesus Christ, dude. Alright, guys. I will see you guys in a bit. Shout out to Eclipse. I just made Eclipse a mod earlier for giving me a fucking like $12 on stream. That was pretty fucking cool to you. Thank you, brother. You're fucking lit as hell. You're litty titty in this bitch. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, bro. W stream, guys. Thanks a lot. All right.